Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Please read the offer document carefully before investing. I'm pretty sure that you must have heard this particular advertisement 100 times by now. But trust me, compared to all the other forms of asset classes which are available in today's day and age, like cryptocurrencies, metaverse, or NFTs, ETFs, etc., mutual fund is definitely one of the safest possible investment options that's available. So much so that if at all you invest 15,000 rupees at the rate of 15% rate of return for a span of 15 years every single month, you'll be able to sit on a corpus of around 1 crore rupees. This is definitely possible, this is definitely doable, provided you invest in the right type of mutual fund. In this video, we'll talk about the various categories of mutual funds that are available in our market. And if you stick with me till the end of this video, I'll also give you a bonus mutual fund option, which is one of the best possible guaranteed ways through which you can get consistent returns year on year. Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz, and without a further ado, let's get started. So the first category of mutual fund that I'm going to talk about is known as equity-based mutual funds or growth stock. So equity-based mutual fund, by the name you must have definitely figured out that equity-based mutual funds are the mutual funds which invest in the equities of the companies or the shares of the companies. So here again, there are several categories or several types of mutual funds which are available, which includes maybe investing in a large cap equity based company or a mid cap company or a small cap company. So this again depends on the market capitalization of that particular firm, the market cap of that particular firm. So if you invest in a small cap based equity fund, then chances are that you will be able to get exponential returns for your investment. But if you're a person who doesn't really want to take a lot of chances, then you should definitely stick for large cap or mid cap based mutual funds. So over a period of time, you will definitely be able to create a good amount of corpus for yourself, provided you invest in the equity or growth based mutual fund. The next category of mutual fund that I'm going to talk about is known as the sector specific mutual fund. So as the name suggests, this type of mutual fund invests in any particular kind of a sector. So if there is any particular sector that you are very bullish about, it can be manufacturing sector, it can be cement based company, or it can be FMCG company, pharmaceutical company, etc. So you have to just figure out the mutual fund which invests in that particular sector of your choice. And if at all that sector grows, then definitely the returns on your investment will also grow. So some of the sectors that you can look forward to are the EV space, which means the electric vehicle space. So there's a saying that in the future generation of the future years, electric vehicles will definitely take over the automobile sector. So if at all you are able to take the early mover advantage in this sector, then chances are that you will be able to definitely create very good amount of returns on an investment. The third category that I'm going to talk about today is known as the index funds. So index funds is a fund type in itself, which basically doesn't really invest in any particular company, but it rather invests in one particular kind of an index. So in India, we have majorly two types of indexes. One is the Sensex, another one is Nifty. So if at all you don't want to depend on your fund manager, but you do really want to depend on these indexes, then choosing an index fund over any other kind of mutual fund option would also be a fair decision. So just to give you a perspective, our stock exchanges came into picture in the early 1980s, and today the Indian Sensex is standing on a rate or on a number of around 60,000 plus, which definitely brings home the fact that if at all you had invested 1 rupee back in the days when the stock exchanges started, then today that 1 rupee would have been almost as big as 60,000 rupees. So index fund investment is definitely something that a lot of fund managers, a lot of investment experts also recommend. So you can also check them out with your respective fund managers. So the next category of fund that I want to talk about right now is known as the tax saving mutual funds. So as the name suggests, these are the kind of mutual funds which help you to save your taxable income. So if at all you're a person who's making around say more than 5 lakh rupees per annum, in that case, if at all you don't want to pay your tax, then under the section 80C of the Income Tax Act, you can definitely save up to 1.5 lakh per annum, provided you invest in such type of asset classes which give you the tax benefit. There are so many government-based investment schemes which give you that investment returns or investment benefit. But if you don't really want to stick to single-digit return wale investment options, in that case, you can definitely stick to the ELSS-based mutual fund options, provided you are able to wait for a span of around 3 years, because these funds come with a lock-in period of 3 years. The next category of fund is known as the debt-based mutual funds. So as the name suggests, these are the kind of funds which invest in secure investment options. It can be government-based investment schemes, debentures, it can be investing in bank loans, etc., where you might not get exponential returns, but at least your initial capital amount is secure. And these, as the name suggests, are recommended to investors who don't really want to take a lot of risk or a lot of chances with their money and who want to keep their corpus safe and secure. You might not get exponential returns over here as compared to the equity-based mutual funds, which might give you as much as 12 to 15% or 18% return. Here, you might get returns as less as say 3, 4, 5, 6%, but the corpus which you have submitted over here or which you have deposited there will also be secure. At the same time, you will be able to definitely create some decent amount of returns for yourself. The last and the most amazing category of mutual fund which I would definitely like to recommend you are known as the balanced fund. So as the name suggests, these are the kind of fund which invest in the best of both worlds, which means they invest in equity as well as debt. So that tomorrow if the market crashes, your fund or your corpus will not get impacted severely. So say tomorrow there's some another situation like the COVID or any other pandemic or any other market crash, your portfolio will not get drastically impacted because of it. And since you have also invested in secure options like the government-based investment schemes, RBI bonds, or sovereign gold bonds, etc. So here there is a balance of sort in your portfolio, which means that even though people around you might get severely impacted due to the crash, but your portfolio will still remain very much secure, safe, and will not get impacted that much. At the same time, you'll also get the benefit of the market growth as well, and the market correction will not impact you that much as compared to all the other investors around you. Since you stick with me till the end of this video, I'll also give you my personal recommendation. Instead of sticking to just Indian stock exchanges or Indian investment options, you should also try and diversify your portfolio and invest in US-based stock exchanges as well. There are a few funds which operate in such a space where you can invest in the top 100 or top 500 companies of USA, which are named as the S&P 500 companies or the top 100 companies of US stock exchanges. You can definitely check them out with your respective fund managers or with your respective broking application which you are utilizing to invest in these options, and you will definitely be able to get the best of both worlds. You are not only investing in the Indian or a developing market, but you're also investing in a developed and an already established market. So you are definitely diversifying your portfolio in a very smart manner. So you'll be able to create a very good amount of returns for yourself along with your respective financial goals. So if at all you liked this video, if at all you learned something new, if at all you understood some new concepts, and if at all you found this video interesting, don't forget to leave your feedbacks in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I'm not recommending any particular mutual fund over here because then it might come across that it's a paid video, which this is not. This is purely an educational video, and I'm pretty sure that you must have found some value in this. And if at all you want to learn more about personal finance, career building, farming, business, don't forget to check out our in-house application known as the Financial Freedom app, which has more than 5 million plus downloads on the Play Store. And we have made various forms of courses over there which are available for your usage. Don't forget to check that particular application as well. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if at all you want us to make any video on any particular type of a subject or a theme that interests you, let us know in the comment section. And if at all you have any questions with regards to the topics that we have discussed today, don't forget to let us know about that as well in the comment section. Until next time, my name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. Be wise, break free.